2021. Une petite neige, toute petite, toute petite, toute petite. C'est beau. Michel? Viens, Michel. Hey, you got a dog?
I'm caring for it right now.
Wow, that's a beautiful.
The owner died.
Oh,
I was walking her for 4 years. He died.
oh no.
So now we found her a home. But
Oh.
I'm waiting for them to come and get her.
Okay, poor. She looks like a beautiful dog. Is it a girl or a boy?
A girl.
Oh, you don't want to go inside. She wants to play in the snow. She says it's too beautiful. I don't want to go in.
She's nice, all right.
I find out who is our new owner. His name is Michael Bannon.
Yeah, but where are we going to pay? Is he going to...
Hey, that's what it says. It says they're gonna fix some things so we can pay.
We should just continue the terminal there and come and pay with our...
He's sorry.